Good afternoon. This is Jim Vaughn from Vaughn CPA, continuing with our coverage on the uh, stimulus payments, the PPP program, the EIDL program, and other matters related to the COVID-19 virus economic situation. Uh, in a sadder note, I want to report to you that one of our employees has tested positive and is hospitalized with the COVID-19. The rest of our office has been completely fumigated, completely sanitized, and our staff has been assured that their risk is very minimal. But we are, of course, taking appropriate social distancing, masks, gloves, and other responsible actions to minimize anything that we have. Our offices are actually closed, and while we would love to see you, we can't right now. And that's for everybody's benefit. To continue with what's going on, the first stimulus checks are supposed to be rolling off the printer at IRS today. Actually, they will be deposited directly into those accounts that have provided direct deposit information first. So that could be today or tomorrow or the day after. You should be watching your bank statements for those. After those are done, then those who need paper checks will be receiving those in the mail. If you do not get one, you can contact the IRS through their website. They have a spot for that. However, the service is very spotty. As to the IRS as well, their hours have been severely restricted. Many offices are closed. They are not having any face-to-face meetings. When they are doing audits, they might still be asking for documents to be presented to the auditor, but they are not looking or taking any appointments. In my personal experience, we have one audit going on, and that auditor just simply wanted to extend and replace our appointment with a later date. This could go on for a while. Other IRS news, the IRS has said that if you have owed taxes and you're in an installment agreement, that your payments can be suspended up through July 15th. And you should take advantage of this. We just don't know what might happen, so you should take advantage of it. If you have direct deposit on your installment payment, you have to call your bank and tell them stop taking the money out. And then when you're ready to start paying again, you have to call the bank and tell them start taking the money out again, or I give permission for IRS to take the money. There will be no penalties, no additional charges to you for doing this, and it is strictly a matter of keeping money into your pocket and delaying installment payments. In addition, the entire collection division has been asked to be more lenient and to leave some things off. There will actually not be some penalties on payroll tax deposits where there is a refund anticipated because of some of the credits that will be available, especially those credits related to the payment purchasing forgiveness of loans, paycheck forgiveness loans, and there will be credits on those, and also on the payroll retention program where credits are expected. So the reports need to be filed, the payments need to be made as best you can, but in some cases the penalties will be forgiven or not imposed at all. Two other things about that. The filing date has been extended to July 15, and that means that your IRA contribution or your SEP contribution does not have to be made until July 15, because the law says the due date of the return, and that's the new due date of the return. In addition, the health savings accounts, the HSAs, you may continue to fund up until that date. So much for now. We'll be back in touch later.